Hi everyone, good time. Let's crochet this beautiful Valentine pouch. We made the heart granny square in previous tutorial and the link is here. Don't miss it. And in this tutorial, we are making this pouch by using 2 heart granny squares. For this tutorial, I used Alize cotton gold yarn and 3mm hook size. Let's start. To begin, first we need to join these 2 squares. This is the front side of my square and this is the back side. This one is the front side. I'm putting it on this one. In fact, this is the front side and this is the front side too. The back sides are on each other. Make a slip knot. I'm going to join these 3 sides together. So I start from this side or this corner. Insert the hook into this corner and also the corner of the back side square. You can see the hook has crossed both of them. Now pull up the yarn and make a single crochet. Insert the hook into the first stitch. You can see this is my first double crochet and also the first stitch on back side and make a single crochet. So I'm joining the 2 sides by single crochet. Next stitch, the stitch behind and make a single crochet. Next stitch, next, and single crochet. So join the 2 sides by single crochet until you reach this corner. As you can see, this side is joined. I'm at the corner. Insert the hook into the corner and the corner of the back square and make 3 single crochet in this space. 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm on this side and join this side with single crochet 2. This is the first stitch. And continue joining my single crochet until you reach the next corner. Into this next corner, make 3 single crochet and continue joining until you reach here. See you there. And here, make 1 single crochet into this corner. Joining the 2 squares is over, and this is how it looks. To create the top part of this pouch, start chaining 3. 1, 2, 3. In this first corner, make 2 double crochet. There is no need to take both squares. I'm working into just this first one. this front one, make 2 double crochet into this corner, 1, 2. Into the next space, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Make 3 double crochet into each space, here, 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 and this last one. Now go to the back side and continue the same pattern in this side too. Starting from this corner, make 3 double crochet inside, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochet into each space. And at the end, a slip stitch on top of the 3rd chain. Okay, round 1 is over. Round 2, chain 4. Look at here. There is a space after these 3 stitches here, and there is a space here. I'm making 1 double crochet right into this space. Going back, make 1 double crochet. Skip the stitches and into this space, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. And repeat this pattern. Into each space, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. Into next pattern, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. In fact, I'm creating V stitches. Continue making V stitches all around the work until you reach the end of the round. And at the end, slip a stitch into the 3rd chain. Round 3 is similar to round 2, chaining 4, but I'm creating the V stitches in the middle of the V stitches of round 2. You can see this is my V stitch. I'm creating the stitches at the middle. So chain 4 and make 1 double crochet here. Into the center of next V stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. Next V stitch in the center, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. And repeat the pattern by the end of the round. Slip a stitch into the 3rd chain. For the last round, I'm working on top of the stitches. I don't need these spaces, just working on top of each stitch. Chain 1, make 1 single crochet into the same space or stitch. Chain 3, slip a stitch into the 1st chain. Skip the next stitch, make 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Chain 3, slip a stitch into the 1st chain, skip the next stitch, into the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. You can see these bumps here. And repeat this pattern by the end. Chain 3, slip stitch into the first chain, skip the next stitch, single crochet into the next. Chain 3, slip stitch into first stitch, skip the next and into the next one, make one single crochet. At the end, slip a stitch into the first single crochet and cut the yarn. And this is my beautiful pouch. For the strap, I'm just using chains. I made 70 chains. My Valentine pouch is over. Hope you like this tutorial. To watch the other tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Happy Valentine and happy crochet!